This is Johnny Mac at the Sarasota Bay in Sarasota, Florida, 10th Street. Sarasota Bay, right off of 10th Street, boat ramp. Memorial Day weekend, everyone chilling on their boats, nice and warm. Beautiful sailboats, rocks, people fishing. You got condos, beach, nice little park. People over there fishing. Jet skis, little boats. Everybody's chilling. Beautiful day, very warm, more like Hodden. myflorida.com. It's beautiful. Come to Florida, Sarasota. Siesta Key Beach, and then you have the Sarasota Bay and beautiful downtown, minutes away. Behind us, you got boats. What's up? Happy Memorial Day. Thank you for your service, Luke, Jacob. Luke in the Air Force, Jacob in the Army, Grandpa Mac Air Force, Uncle Robbie Marine, Great Grandpa Peter, World War I veteran, Purple Heart, Peter Romano. Thank you for your service, Grandpa Mac, Grandpa McCracken, Navy. Thank you for your service back in the day. Here we got a little jet ski, sailboat. Awesome.